Creating something with your own hands brings joy, it's fulfilling. DIY projects let you personalize your space, make it your own. Unique and beautiful, let's transform your home with wall art. This project is easy. You can do it, no special skills needed, just imagination and a little time. Imagine a blank canvas, it's full of possibilities. We'll use painter's tape. It creates amazing designs. Get ready for a stunning transformation. This project is budget-friendly. You don't need expensive supplies. We'll use simple things, transform them into something special. Let's begin. First, gather your materials. You'll need a canvas or wooden board. Choose the size you like. Acrylic paints are great. They come in many colors. Painter's tape is our magic tool. Get a good quality one. It's essential for clean lines. Grab some brushes, different sizes for different effects. Don't forget a drop cloth, protect your surfaces. A palette is handy for mixing colors. Newspaper works too. Now, you're ready. These materials are easy to find. Check your local craft store or order online. Affordable and accessible. Prepare your canvas, it's important. A smooth surface makes a difference. Wipe away any dust. Use a damp cloth. If you're using wood, sand it lightly. This helps the paint adhere better. It's worth the extra step. Let the surface dry completely. Now it's ready for the fun part. We're going to create a masterpiece. This preparation might seem small, but it ensures a professional outcome. Your art will last longer too. Painter's tape is our design tool. It creates sharp, clean lines. Think about your pattern. Geometric shapes are trendy. Use a ruler and pencil. Lightly mark your design on the canvas. This helps you apply the tape accurately. Press the tape firmly. Make sure it adheres well. Burnish it with your fingernail. No paint will bleed through. Abstract designs are fun too. Let your creativity flow. Create curves, angles, or anything you like. It's your art. Section 5. Unleash your inner artist. Now for the color. Choose your favorite acrylic paints. Think about your room's decor and select colors that complement it. Squeeze a small amount of paint onto your palette. Don't overdo it, you can always add more. Dip your brush into the paint and start painting within the taped areas. Use smooth, even strokes. Let each coat dry before applying the next. This prevents smudging and gives a more vibrant color. Section 6. Golden Touch. Want to add some elegance? Gold leaf is a beautiful touch. It adds a luxurious feel to your art. Apply a thin layer of adhesive to the areas you want to highlight. Let it become tacky. Carefully lay the gold leaf sheets onto the adhesive. Press gently to secure. Brush away any excess. Gold leaf adds a touch of glamour. It's perfect for a focal point, or use it sparingly for subtle accents. Section 7. Preserving your art. Your painting is almost ready. Let it dry completely. Then it's time to seal it. This protects your artwork. Use a clear acrylic sealant. Apply it with a soft brush. Make sure to cover the entire surface. Let the sealant dry thoroughly. This will take a few hours. Now, your artwork is protected from dust and fading. Sealing is essential for longevity. Your masterpiece will stay vibrant for years to come. Enjoy it. Section 8. Displaying your creation. Time to hang your art. Choose a prominent spot in your room. It deserves to be seen. You can use a simple picture hook or get creative with floating shelves. Step back and admire your work. You've transformed a blank canvas into a statement piece. This DIY project is easy and rewarding. It's a great way to personalize your space and impress your guests. Section 9. Time to shine. Congratulations, you've created your own wall art. And the best part, it's uniquely yours. This project proves that anyone can be an artist. You don't need expensive art or special skills. All you need is a little creativity and the willingness to try something new. So go ahead, unleash your inner artist. Transform your home, one masterpiece at a time. You'll be amazed by what you can create.